Okay, so I just thought I'd show you the front of my gallery in Hythe, and I've been here for a number of years. I actually kicked off in the road in 2011. So in one of the front windows at the moment, I'm actually displaying a lot of original work from my wife, Catherine Apps, who works in watercolor and pastel. So we have a display of her work at the moment on offer for sale. So that's a real treat because it's nice to get a few assembled together. Okay, so in the other window right now, I've got a selection of my original bird paintings, mainly in oils. Some of them are acrylics and others in gouache, but I'm just going to sort of quickly pan through a few of them that you can see. Large ones, small ones, little studies like this one. And then I've got a gouache of a teal, which I did as a demonstration for a group. And this is actually the last window, but this is actually my framing shop. But I do use the glass space, of course, to put in a few other paintings that I've got, some landscapes, some abstracts that I do from time to time, just to have a little bit of fun and enjoyment. Okay, so now we're inside the gallery. I do have a double aspect gallery, which is really nice. It's quite shallow but long, and a lot of window space, as I've already shown you. But on the wall, I've got a lot of my wildlife, of course, as you'd expect. And these are all the framed up ones, different sizes, of course, different prices. And right here is where I sit and I paint when I'm actually in the gallery. And I paint most days, don't get in every day and paint, but when I do, this is where you'll find me. And what's on the easel right now? Well, I've been working on this 12 by 16 cheetah portrait. Now over here, I've got a central wall where again, there are more wildlife paintings set up for you to see, but you'll also see some of my very recent pieces that are still drying and they are on show, but they're not framed at the moment. There are two there. There is one over here on this old chair, and of course there is one sitting down there. And this is my central display of wildlife art in my gallery. There's a few African artifacts to one side, and yeah, this is just a nice display area, centralized in the room overall. The latest little study of a tiger's head. Still waiting to put a title to that one, but yeah, that's just a little 8 by 10. Through here, I've got original watercolors, mainly landscape, some are wildlife. Through here, the other display, and of course, we've got my main counter, and this is where I serve people for framing. Plan their frames for their pieces of art. We set it up, we take the order, and then it moves on through certainly to that area and also to the rear workshops where we do all the actual main frame building. This is just in through there, which I'll quickly show you. It's a bit messy, but that's where we do all our dry cut and all our setting up and boxing up of the finished article for clients. That wall there, we've got a selection of some of my paper prints. There are also a full collection of canvas prints on offer. Lots of paintings and some cards, lots of different cards and stuff. Things that I offer within the gallery. Now I'm going to show you this a little bit untidy through here, but this is where I do all my weekly teaching. Now there is room for 8 people in here and it's private. No one overlooks you and you're not in the gallery. You're not subject to being watched from the road, and it seats 8 people happily, and we have a lot of fun here. I do 3 classes on a Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. Currently the prices are £180 for a 10-week term, and the terms run concurrently through the year. We do 5 terms a year. We have facilities and we have sort of toilets, and we have a kitchen area where people can make a coffee and things like that, so that's all good. You can see certain framing equipment, where we store our mount boards, and we finish off and do stuff up the top there, as you can see. But there you go, a quick look round my gallery in Hythe, Kent. So if you're in the area and you want to come in and check out some of my original paintings, and hopefully we'll see some of you in the gallery at some point in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.